Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. So today, in this video, we will see how to find End Portal. For that, what you need to do is prepare some materials.
To craft the Eyes of Ender, you will need blaze rods, ender pearls. Ender pearls drop from endermen and blaze rods drop from blazes found in the nether. So first, to make the blaze powder, what we're gonna do is we're basically place the blaze rods just like this. And we'll take all of this just like this, okay? Next, what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna come down right here, Eyes of Ender, okay? So I'm just gonna put all of my Eyes of Ender right there and similarly. And note that you just have to take about 30 Eyes of Ender with you. So basically, the thing is, most of the time, Eyes of Ender break and you lose them. Therefore, you cannot, keep relying on few number of Eyes of Ender. So basically, how you will use them is basically you're just gonna select your Eye of Ender and you're just gonna right click. As you can see, you're just gonna follow the direction in which the eye of ender goes, okay? And sometimes they will drop down and you can use them again. Other times you'll have to, okay, you're just gonna basically follow it and you're just gonna keep following it till it takes you to a place in which basically it doesn't move in any direction. Instead, it goes into the ground. So let's just check again. Okay, so I'm just gonna set to creative and keep on going. Note that about 80% of times the strongholds in which the end portals are located are below villages. There's another tip that you can use. So I'm just gonna click do it and check where it is. You're just gonna keep on repeating this process and you're gonna follow the eye of ender in the direction it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on doing it and skip to the part where we found it. Okay. Okay, so basically, I followed the eye of Ender a lot, and as you can see, here is the eye of Ender. And if I pick it up, I go above, then it goes straight towards the ground. Okay, so if I go from right here and try it again, it goes right here to the ground, about in this block. Okay, so basically, what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna start digging and go straight down, and eventually, we're gonna reach the stronghold, and let's just see. Okay. Basically reach the stronghold, and now next what we're just gonna do is basically we're just gonna explore the dungeon itself and find the room. Okay, so let's just do that quickly. Okay, so after exploring this area we have come towards this side, and as you can see, okay, what was that? Okay, whatever it was, just leave it. So here is the end portal, and as you can see, there would be many times in which some of these will be completely filled while leaving one, and at other times only one would be available, like in my case. So what you're just gonna do is you're just gonna quickly place all of your Eye of Ender and just like this, you can see the end portal has been activated, and by this way you can easily go towards the end, and you can explore and see and try to defeat the ender dragon. So that was pretty much a tutorial on how to find the end portal. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. A note is that many people are confused about how we can obtain these ender pearls. So basically they're obtained by killing endermen, and yeah, so basically you gotta farm them and you gotta kill them. Okay, there are a lot of Enderman here. So anyway, that's pretty much for this video. If you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.